Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'll show you how you can log into your TikTok account using the mobile app itself. So first of all, open the app, and once this page opens up, on the bottom of the screen you will see several options. Tap on the me option and now tap on sign up option here. Once this page opens up, at the bottom of the screen you will see your option with login. Tap on it. Now remember with what you have created your TikTok account. So whether it was your phone number or your Facebook ID, choose accordingly. So I have created my TikTok account using my email ID. Now first of all, enter your email ID here. Now once you have entered your email ID, type your password in the second box and then tap on the login option. So that's how you have logged into your TikTok account. So if you want TikTok to save password for you, tap on the save password option, or you can also skip the part and then tap on not now. So this was for today. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon.